Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever arrived at your dream destination only to find your luggage decided to take a different vacation? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the wild world of lost and delayed baggage compensation. Picture this. You're standing at the baggage carousel, watching suitcase after suitcase tumble out, none of them yours. Your heart sinks, but don't panic. This is where our adventure begins. First things first, make a beeline for the airline's baggage claim office. Time is of the essence here, folks. File a Property Irregularity Report, PIR, faster than you can say, "Where's my underwear?" This report is your golden ticket in the compensation game. Make sure you have your booking reference, passenger name, and a detailed description of your baggage handy. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Airlines have 21 days to find your luggage before it's officially declared lost. During this time, you're not just twiddling your thumbs. Oh no, you're on a shopping spree for essentials. Keep those receipts, my friends. They're your ammunition for reimbursement. But wait, there's more. If you're traveling internationally, you could be looking around $1,600 to $1,700 in compensation. That's right, enough for a whole new wardrobe and then some. Remember, persistence is key. Follow up with the airline like a detective on a hot case. Use their online baggage tracker to keep tabs on your claim. And if they're giving you the runaround, don't be afraid to drop the magic words. Montreal Convention. It's like a secret password that lets them know you mean business. Now for the plot twist, travel insurance. If you've got it, use it. They might offer even better compensation than the airline. Just make sure you have all the necessary documentation, including the PIR, proof of ownership, and those all-important receipts. Here's a pro tip. If your luggage is damaged, take photos before leaving the airport. Some airlines have a 7-day deadline for reporting damaged bags. So there you have it, intrepid travelers. The next time your luggage decides to go rogue, you'll be ready. Armed with knowledge, receipts, and a dash of adventure, you'll turn that lost luggage frown upside down. Remember, in the grand tapestry of travel, a lost suitcase is just another story to tell. So go forth, explore, and may your luggage always find its way back to you, eventually.